How to send yourself a live chat transcript in Squarespace. So in order to get the live chat transcript, you can actually get it from either a third-party chat provider if you actually chatted through that, or you can also get transcript from Squarespace support chats. If you want to get it from your own website chat widget, you can head over first to the actual integrations in order to add them. Click onto this options that you can see right here, and you should be able to find right there products as well as your website integrations that you have added. You just need to navigate to them by going to their actual pages. It can be TDO, Chatra, user like. Now, if you want to get transcript from Squarespace support chats, then what you can do is you can head over to a new tab and search in here for Squarespace support. Now, from in there, head over and click onto this contacts customer support, or you can also head over to the help center right there. Now you just need to look for the live chat icon that will appear once your page has successfully loaded. So just wait for this to successfully load altogether. Look for this icon right here. So head over and click on that. And after that, you can see in here the chat window. If you wish to get the transcript for that, you just need to head over and then access it right here. It should be able under the bottom of the window. You can also get in here the request transcript option in order to request it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you